We started with an India-focused approach, and today we are an India-first company. We believe when we solve for India, we solve for the world.
We know that many Indians prefer not to use the internet in English. The experience of navigating it can be daunting. We've strived to reduce this complexity and reduce barriers to information, especially with innovations in speech recognition and language understanding. India continues to be a global leader in the adoption of these technologies. In fact, the number of Indians using voice queries daily is nearly 2 times the global average. Another way we've seen Indians engaging with voice is to make their lives easier with Google Assistant. Since its launch 5 years ago, we've made Google Assistant available in 9 Indian languages. Today, that's how 1/3 of Indian users are communicating with it for needs big and small. Building on this last year, we announced Read It, which made it possible for Android users to listen to websites in their chosen language, including 11 Indian languages, with the help of Google Assistant, making information across the web accessible to everyone. We're announcing the first ever Google Assistant-enabled end-to-end vaccination booking flow in India. Here's more about how it will work.
Hi, I am your Google Assistant. I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step process to register and book a vaccine appointment. To share instructions in your preferred language, select one of the following. आपने साइन इन किया है, क्या आप नए सदस्य को रजिस्टर करने के लिए तैयार हैं? रजिस्टर किए जा रहे सदस्य का 12 अंकों वाला आधार नंबर डालें। सदस्य का पूरा नाम डालें। YYYY फॉर्मेट में जन्म का साल डालें। टीका लगवाने का अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करने के लिए सदस्य चुनें। ऊपर दिए गए बॉक्स में पिन कोड या जिले का नाम डालकर टीकाकरण केंद्र खोजें। मुफ्त में टीका लगाने वाले केंद्र खोजने के लिए मुफ्त पर टैप करें। इसके बाद ये चुनें कि कौन सा टीका लगवाना है। टीका लगवाने के लिए अपने पसंद का समय चुनें। आपने टीका लगवाने के लिए अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कर लिया है।
With this flow, a relatively new internet user will be able to easily book an appointment in a more guided way, empowering them with access to information and healthcare. This is a profound illustration of how technology can bridge gaps in access and make a meaningful difference.
हमारी टीम एक ऐसी इनिशिएटिव पे काम कर रही है जिसे आप आसानी से हिंदी में और भी इंफॉर्मेशन प्राप्त कर सकें। अब दिव्या, आप फिर से ट्राई करो।
अरे वाह, अब ये पहला रिजल्ट हिंदी में अवेलेबल है।
बस टैप करो और देखो आपके अपने लैंग्वेज में या फिर ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेज में। चलिए कुछ और ट्राई करें।
ओह हाँ, कुश्ती प्रैक्टिस से क्या उम्मीद करनी चाहिए? यह अच्छे अमीनो एसिड सप्लीमेंट कौन से हैं? एंड इवन खेल के लिए प्राथमिक चिकित्सा किट।
अभी इस फीचर से आपको साइंस और एजुकेशन के रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे एंड लेटर दिस ईयर और भी बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स में रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे। This feature is now available in 5 Indian languages with more to come and can be accessed on any mobile browser that supports Google search.
As part of our product philosophy, we want to simplify real-life use cases for every way money changes hands between people. Whether you are a young digital native, new to technology, or a merchant foraying into the online world. Shared expenses is one such example. That is an everyday use case for the youth. Earlier this year, we launched Groups on Google Pay. We are now adding a cool new feature to make groups even more useful, bill splitting. Here, for example, are a group of friends who recently went out for lunch together. In this case, Ajay paid the bill. All he needs to do is create or select an existing group, allocate everyone's share, and then easily track all the payments. This feature will be coming later this year. As much as splitting expenses is natural to our way of life, Indians are also naturally bilingual. In fact, हमारी everyday conversations ना हिंदी में होती हैं, ना pure English में. At best हम उसे Hinglish कह सकते हैं. और सिर्फ मैं ही नहीं, this is definitely true for 350 million Indians. So I'm happy to share कि Hinglish का option early 2022 में Google Pay पर available होगा. Let's take a look here. By simply changing the language to English from the settings, the whole app transforms to English. QR code scan करें, phone number को pay करें, and so on. Talking of how India uses technology, voice is a big part of it. And that's why we are bringing voice to one of the most used features in payments, paying directly to bank accounts. We know that you don't like typing out the 10-digit plus bank account numbers. So just speak it out and we'll do the rest. You can say it in Hindi or English. We'll automatically figure it out. To help them take another big step towards the transition to digital, I am delighted to announce the My Shop feature on Google Pay for Business, which will be available later this month. My Shop on GPay for Business lets merchants seamlessly and quickly create their own online storefronts within minutes. Using templates, it allows a merchant to publish their inventory almost instantaneously to the entire Google Pay user base. They can also include information like their business hours, delivery policies, store photos, and showcase their product catalogs right from the My Shop tab. My Shop also enables merchants to expand their online discoverability beyond Google Pay. They can become visible to hundreds of millions of users on Google Search and Maps and even social media.